Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Galaxy Watch 4 to earbuds. Turn on Bluetooth on the watch, open Settings, and select Connections to access Bluetooth quickly. Put your earbuds into pairing mode and make sure the watch is near the earbuds. Tap Pair on the watch list when the earbuds appear. If prompted, confirm any passkeys. Once connected, test audio and adjust volume and media output on the watch. To pair with Galaxy Wear app, open the Wear app on your phone and follow prompts to add the watch if needed. In the Watch Bluetooth menu, choose the earbud's name and confirm pairing. If pairing fails, restart both devices, clear Bluetooth cache on the phone, and try again. For dual audio, check Bluetooth La audio settings and ensure earbuds firmware is up to date before retrying. Contact manufacturer support if problems persist. Quick recommendation: if you like a fresh ride after long runs or commutes, grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp scent that makes your car feel cleaner. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Check the description for the link and other deals on accessories that pair well with earbuds and watches. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Keep the watch within 3 to 6 feet for stable Bluetooth unless your earbuds support extended range. Choose the proper audio codec in the watch settings to improve quality and battery life. Use media controls on the watch to play, pause, skip, and change volume without reaching for your phone. Disable auto launch on the phone if earbuds connect to the phone first. Regularly update watch and earbud firmware for best performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.